Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today we will be solving a problem which is longest ideal subsequence lead code 2370 problem. So it is same like the longest subsequence, longest increasing subsequence. In that approach we use DP or recursion we can say, and here also we will use a DP or recursion. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that we are given a string S consisting of lowercase letters and an integer k. We call a string T to be an ideal of the following condition are satisfied. T is a subsequence of the string S. Subsequence means basically the order of the element shouldn't change. The absolute difference in the alphabet order of every two adjacent letters in T is less than or equal to k. It means that if we are taking two elements, the difference of these two elements, like absolute difference of these two elements, shouldn't be greater than k. Greater than length of the longest ideal string. A string is like a string is a subsequence is a string that can be derived and another string by deleting some of or nor characters without changing the order of the remaining characters. So note, we have given a note that alphabet order is not cycle. For example, the absolute difference is the element of the alphabet order of the A and Z is 25, not 1. It means the elements are in not in the cycle. Means if cycle, it means like if we are ending from 0 ending at Z, then we are starting at A. So it is not like that key directly it will connect to the Z to A. In that case, the difference will be 1, but here the difference will be 25 because it is not a cycle. We have to go each element, so that's why we have to write 25, not 1. So let's see this example ACFGBD. So longest increasing subsequence, and this condition like the difference of two elements shouldn't greater than k. So if these two conditions will be at mind, so the ideal string is ABCD of length 4. So now how it is going? So let's see this. Like ACFGBD, this string we have given, and k equals to 2. If we take the subsequence is basically like if we are taking a substring like ACF is a subsequence, but AFC is not a subsequence. ACG is a subsequence, but AGC is not a subsequence because the order of the element shouldn't change. If C is coming after G, sorry, G is coming after C, so G should be come after C. Where it will come? G should be come after C. It is like this. Like if you take this example CBD, it is a subsequence. And if we take the difference like B and C, the difference between B and C will be 1 because A, B, C, the difference between B and C is 1, and B and D are also 2. So you can see K equals to 2. So these two differences are in limit not greater than K, so it is a ideal subsequence. If we take the example AFD, so the difference between A and F will be 5, which is greater than 2. It is not an ideal subsequence. So the approach is very simple. What we can do is we are taking an element. We can start from zeroth index or end index. Here we are starting from the end index. If we are taking the element D, so we will find the we'll take each subsequence like if we are starting मान लो we are starting from zeroth index, so a को ले रहे, अब a के करस्पॉन्डिंग सारी subsequence फाइंड करेंगे a c a f a g a b a d एंड द कंडीशन ये भी कंडीशन रखेंगे k वाली कंडीशन डिफरेंस वाली कंडीशन को भी चेक करते रहेंगे. इन दैट केस अगर ये ए डी तक हो जाए फिर सी से स्टार्ट करेंगे, पर इन दैट केस द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी गो वेरी स्क्वायर which is very high, which is not acceptable. So we have to optimize that time complexity. So for optimal time complexity, what we can do is we can find the corresponding elements of that particular element. Like we have given k equals to 2. If we are taking c, because a से a में तो बनी होगा, स्टार्टिंग तो बनी से ही होगी, ठीक है. इफ वी आर टेकिंग सी, सो सी के दो पहले वाले एलिमेंट और दो बाद वाले एलिमेंट देख लेंगे बिकॉज के इक्वल टू 2 है. अगर सी से दो पहले वाले एलिमेंट्स लाइक ए बी, दो पहले वाले और दो बाद वाले एलिमेंट डी, बिकॉज वाई वी आर seeing like two elements of before and two elements of after C, because if we take the difference between these two elements like BCA element and the CA element, AC, BC or CD or CE, the difference will be in limit, like it should not greater than the K. That's why we are taking the two elements of C after this and previous elements and after elements like A, B, C, D, E. Now we will check like these elements are present in this, what we can say, string. So you can see A is present. So now C is the one element and A is the one element because AC can form a subsequence. So but it will be two, length two, because C is one length one and A is length one. So it will be the length two. Now F का भी same करेंगे. F से दो previous element और दो बाद वाले element. Now we'll check like if these elements are present in this subsequence. No, these are not present in this subsequence. So that's why we will return directly left one, because F जो है वो single element है. As same as we'll take this and we'll check like again, and what we can do, we will check like we will check the maximum element like we are taking B, so we will check like how maximum element C से बन सकता है, G से बन सकता है, किससे बन सकता है, because हमें तो maximum element लेना है. So now let's see the code for this problem. So code is very simple. What we can do is we will apply a vector here. O, एक्चुअली क्लास वाला कहाँ गया, इसको हटाते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ से, और इसको क्लास पता नहीं कहाँ से हट गई, तो लिखा ठीक है, अब सही है. Yeah, so what we can do is we can apply a vector because we have to store the characters like previous two characters and character and after two characters. We'll apply a int answer equals to 0, that we have to return the length. We can apply a loop and we can take a element s of I minus a, which will give me a element. Now we can check like previous two elements और after two elements लेने मेरे को. So ये क्या कर रहा है, ये वाली चीज तो हमारी previous two elements ले रही है. If so int j equals to element to j greater than equals to 0 and j greater than equals to element minus k, that is this is the एलिमेंट माइनस के इज द डिफरेंस लाइक टू थ्री, वो वाला डिफरेंस. ठीक है, के वाला एलिमेंट, जे माइनस माइनस. लेट्स होल्ड दिस कंडीशन, वी विल सी आफ्टर दिस. एंड डीपी ऑफ एलिमेंट इक्वल्स टू मैक्सिमम ऑफ डीपी एलिमेंट कॉमा डीपी ऑफ जे प्लस वन, and this same for the right limit also, and answer will be maximum of answer comma dp of element. Now let's see this condition. This condition is holding like if a equals to a and z are given, so we have to return 25, not 1. So that's why if j equals to element and dp of j equals to 0, initial element, like initially all the dp elements are 0, so it is a element, initial element. So in that case, we have to return like dp of j equals to 1, and answer will be maximum of same dp of element and continue. So this was the code. If I run this code and see if this will work or not. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. As you can see here, it is working perfect. So in that question, what I have done is I am simply finding the right limit and the left limit. Right limit means आप जो कैरेक्टर मेरे को दिया हुआ है उसको के प्लस के कैरेक्टर्स जो भी है उस कैरेक्टर के करस्पॉन्डिंग के जो दे रखा है हमको, जैसे के टू दे रखा है, तो बाद के टू एलिमेंट एंड प्रीवियस टू एलिमेंट्स ले लेने और उसको चेक करना है कि उस एड सब सीक्वेंस में प्रेजेंट है या नहीं, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग मेरा आंसर चेंज होता जाएगा. So that was the simple approach for that problem. So if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. तब तक के लिए bye. And the time complexity for this solution will be big of n, not big of n is what big of n, because this if loop is for the limit. So we will not see this loop. We will because these limits are like 5, 4. So this will not see these limits. So the time complexity will be big of n and space complexity will also be big of n, because it means big of 26. So this was the code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. Particularly bye.